we are a family, we are all Sankofians. And we should all aspire that they must graduate 100% going outside. Now we good. It was not too long. Okay, so we're only going to take 5 questions and then we close. Not more than 5. It's 1, it's 2, it's 3, it's 4. After these questions, we are closing, parents. If you have an additional question, you can ask me privately. Now, who WhatsApp and answer it. Number 1.
My question is on the timetable. I'm looking at English and Afrikaans. If the child wants to attend both, what is going to take because the same time
Okay, for now, because of our, especially the African special, that's why you see the timetable structure here. We are looking for the second Afrikaans test. Once we have 2 Afrikaans teachers, then we're going to separate so that the child can do both Afrikaans and together. Because most of the Afrikaans teacher is also an English teacher at times. You see, or we have a different English. So it's those logistical questions, but in time 2 we are planning to solve it. Number 2.
I wanted to ask me the lunch break and what to do. Okay. Sometimes I don't participate in the time. I'm not trying to bring that. So what happens?
That's the problem, because if you're going to opt into the lunch program, it means umntwana can't carry starting. You understand? That's the thing, because imagine, it has to be paid once a month so that the cook can be paid like that. You understand that? So if it comes into this number.
My question is, I paid for standard fees, which is $750. Now I want to add in Afrikaans.
Okay.
Then I want to know from standard, if I add Afrikaans, I'm going to Kenya.
Yes.
And the following month, I must pay 500.
Yes. So the first thing you must correct now is that you must add the 150 that's missing.
Okay.
For the registration, because now it means it's 900. And then from there, when it means moving forward, your child will be moved to Afrikaans and then be paying 500. Yes. The last question.
So do they bring stationery, and what kind of stationery do they bring the time of day?
Yes, they bring their books, and thank you. Mention I said I must mention this. Parents, you have to buy 1 book for each subject. We don't have a child doing what they want. Nobody social science, happy English, book for social science, book for, and then after you make payment, and then we send you a list of what they should bring. And it's only the books that we require; they must be fully covered, and then every other resources they will get from us. Thank you very much, Bazali.